Hello, friends. As we all are going through a very tough phase nowadays, and in this phase, we all are becoming arrogant, angry, and depressed. We all are becoming short tempered nowadays and do not easily forgive others, although we know that it's going to harm us more. So, let us discuss today about the forgiveness. Forgiveness. What is forgiveness? We all have misconception about this word. This is a single word but with a wide range of meanings. We all do not know. In simple words, I can just say that forgiveness is a mental or spiritual process. It means no longer feeling anger at another person or at yourself. Forgiveness can even lead to feelings of understanding, empathy, and compassion for the one who made you feel bad. Forgiveness doesn't mean forgetting or excusing the harm done to you or making up with the person who caused the harm. Forgiveness brings a kind of peace that helps you to go on with the life. Studies have found that the act of forgiveness can reap huge rewards for your health, lowering the risk of heart attack, improving cholesterol level and sleep, and reducing pain, blood pressure, and level of anxiety, depression, and stress. Sometimes we get deeply hurt by the spouse, or by the parents, or by the boss where we are working, or we are harshly bullied. Forgiveness is for our own growth and happiness. And I will say that it harms us far more than it harms the offender. Our anger, regret, hatred, or resentment towards someone means that we are giving up our power to that person. Forgiveness is a strong medicine. When life hits us hard, there is nothing as effective as forgiveness for healing deep wounds. Forgiveness means giving up the suffering of the past and being willing to forge ahead with far greater potential for inner freedom. If we forgive and forget, I think our life will be much easier. But forgiveness is not always easy. Your forgiving nature will give you a power to love in small ways, in everyday encounters, like smiling at the grocer or taking time to listen to a child. When you learn to forgive, you start loving. And when you love, God's light shine upon you. And be blessed always. I would like to thank all who have spared their time to listen to me. And I pray a good health and prosperous new year for them.